Recently, I did a video about the pros and cons of having your attorneys in with you during the divorce mediation. And here's the thing. Sometimes only one person wants his or her attorney in the room. What about that? I'm Katherine Miller. I've been a divorce mediator for over 30 years, and that is really a problem. And here's why. If one person only has their attorney in the room, and that attorney makes a legal argument in favor of his or her client, well, what about the other legal argument? Who's going to make that argument? As a mediator, I'm very reluctant to leave the other argument unsaid because that feels like it slants the playing field, doesn't it? So then what happens is the mediator says, well, there's another perspective to the law, this other perspective. And that's the perspective of the attorney for the client who does not have his lawyer in the room. Well, what does that do to the neutrality of the mediation? Now you've got one lawyer, and it seems like an advantage to have your lawyer come to the mediation, right? That lawyer makes a legal argument. But now the neutral party, the person who's supposed to be there facilitating, is sort of making an argument for the other party, which takes that person a little out of the neutral role. And I think that that slants the mediation toward the unrepresented party, but it sure does mess up the dynamic. So it's my recommendation when one person wants to have an attorney in the room, that both people have attorneys in the room, just to make sure that we maintain that level playing field, that sense of neutrality in the mediation process. If you've got questions about the pros and cons of having attorneys in the room, click on the link below and I'll send you over our guide to thinking it through. Thanks for listening.